Hi, this is Brian from Bend Dyno Tuning. We just got done installing a Holley Terminator X universal port fuel injection system on Larry's 1966 Mercury Comet. It's got a Ford 390 FE motor, so we're going to go over what we did, the parts we used, and the kind of results that we had by using this kit. So stay tuned for the results.
So we installed an MSD dual sync distributor along with a straight fire ignition coil. And then we installed a 6 EFI CD box. We mounted the ECU to the glove box to keep it hidden away. And this kit also comes with a 3.5-inch touchscreen to not only monitor information, but to actually make tuning changes if needed. So this first pull we did was at 32 degrees of ignition timing. The second pull we did was at 34 degrees of ignition timing. And there's a power graph right here. And the third pull we did was at 36 degrees of ignition timing. And right here is the graph of all three, an overlay of all three that we did, 32, 34, and 36 degrees. This car likes 36 degrees of ignition timing.
And if you're interested in converting your old muscle car to modern fuel injection for better starting, drivability, and performance, give us a call.
For more information, check us out at westbenddyno.com or give us a call at 262-692-9035.